Shivinder Singh, the Executive Vice Chairman of Fortis Healthcare, feels GlaxoSmithKline's move to increase its stake in its India arm is a positive for the pharma sector. Singh also talks about the need to open up the pharma sector to more FDI and Fortis's expansion plans going ahead. Listen in.
The GSK's investment proposal is actually a very positive sign, especially coming at this time of the year where things are looking, rather unhappy.
Also, we've seen that the industry department wanted to go ahead with an FDI proposal to reduce the cap as far as the rare and critical pharma is concerned to 49%. Do you think it's sort of a regressive step, especially at a time when there's a lot of M&A activity that we've seen in the pharma space?
Well, I don't know about the specific policy you're talking about, but generally speaking, I think we have to, as an economy, open up more sectors and close down more sectors. I think getting international players, getting quality competition and quality industry is critical for our own growth. If you see in the last few decades, every single sector that's got international players come in, international money coming in through FDI, has done better, not worse. So as a general statement, I think it's good for the economy to get in players. Obviously, there are some specific sectors that the government has to be careful for its own citizens. But that's more for them to look at what motive they're looking at.
As far as Fortis Healthcare is concerned, we had a plan to aggressively expand and increase the number of beds to 1,500. 1,500 beds, more 1,500 beds. Where are we, as far as the expansion plans are concerned?
Well, I think we had talked about adding 1,000 beds in this financial year and about 500 to 600 beds every year going forward after that. So we're working to plan on that. We've got Gurgaon launch. The Mohali extension block has been launched. Ludhiana and Arcot are being launched in the next quarter. So with that, we'll have 1,000 beds finished this year. And going forward, we have 500-600 beds coming up every year, which is on course.
Also, any other, foreign markets that you're looking at maybe in terms of acquisition?
No, not yet.